Hello and welcome back. Here I am. I couldn't find any information on how to check the pressure, fuel pressure, on this '09 Accord. Seems like the older Accords have a lot of information. So essentially, this is the tap-in point here in the back, and unless you have the specific Honda fuel pressure meter, which is about $200 to $300. You'll have to get one, a rental one or a generic one or a standard from the store, and you'll have to tap in via rubber hose. This is 1/4 inch, and you tap in. This is coming from the gas tank, and this one is going to the injectors. So we've tapped in here, we put our T here, there's our gauge with a pressure relief valve. So we'll start the car up, and for Honda it should be between 48 and I believe 50 psi. Otherwise, they recommend change the regulator and the filter, but the stores usually don't sell that, so you'll just replace the whole fuel pump assembly that includes both of those things. One of the things you can do to relieve the fuel pressure is you could take off the fuel pressure relay, which would be right here in this empty socket. See if I can focus on that. And this is what the relay looks like. Just like a standard relay, you know, on and off switch, turns it on when you need to. And the manual also suggests to take off the cap and relieve some of the pressure. Turn on your car, and if your car shouldn't start, but if it does, it will stall, and then you know that all the fuel pressure is gone, and then you can open up the fuel line. All right, so we're going to start the car, and there's air in the line, so I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Okay, that looks like the fuel pump turns on and the hose got tight. You see, it's not quite at 48, but I know there's air in the line. And there we go. We let some of that air, we saw some gas come out. All right, we get to 40 psi, and if we release the regulator there, gas comes out and pressure comes down. But it looks like there's a lot of gas bubbles in there. There we go. Now we got no air bubbles in there, and I think we can start the car. Let's inspect for any fuel leaks. Yep, we got a fuel leak here. Yeah, there's a fuel leak there. This is good. These look good. This one looks good. So this is the only one we gotta maybe tighten a little bit more or reseat it. So we know that fuel pressure is okay. So the next thing Honda suggests is clean your throttle bodies. So I'm looking in there, and looks a little gunky, so I'll give it a clean and see if it starts up better than before. Honda does recommend take out the throttle body and clean it out. You don't want any gunk to fall into the engine. That makes sense. There it is. Took out the throttle body. This was all gunky. It's clean now. And we'll put it all together and do the ECM learn procedure.